In this tutorial, I'll walk you through connecting your LinkedIn account to Connect Safely using the Infinite Login feature. On the Accounts page, click Add Account and choose Infinite Login. Before proceeding, ensure two-factor authentication is enabled on your LinkedIn account. Confirm by clicking Yes, I have two-factor authentication. Next, verify that you've set up authentication through an Authenticator app, not SMS, and check the box accordingly. Now, confirm that you have your two-factor authentication secret key. This is the key you received when initially setting up two-factor authentication. If you don't have it saved, you'll need to reset your authentication in LinkedIn to generate a new one. Click Next and enter your LinkedIn email, password, and secret key. Select your location, then click Connect Account. Here's the important part. Wait patiently for 2 to 5 minutes without closing the window. During this time, you may receive a sign-in request notification on your mobile device. Do not accept it. Our system will handle the authentication automatically. And that's it. Your LinkedIn account is now successfully connected to Connect Safely. Thank you for watching and happy automating.